Alright, I'm super excited. I got these from Amazon, these Capri Stubby 1/2-inch drive matrix socket set. And well, check out this box. Like, it's so cool. Whoever designed this, especially like the pattern, like they put a lot of work in this. Even the socket has like a highlight around it. 15-piece chromo. They put, I love it. From California, it says. CapriTools.com. So I feel bad about saying this, but I lose a lot of sockets. Sometimes you lose it in the mud or the snow. Like, how many times have you heard that? Or they'll roll away, and it just is what it is. And I'm really excited to get these. I've never used like a stubby short socket or a stubby socket before, so this should be very interesting. So let's open this up. This is the worst knife if you're ever thinking about buying one of these. The only one that is, it's worse than the Milwaukee one from Home Depot. And if you know which one I'm talking about, that one's not so great either. It's like they don't even sharpen them or anything like that. See, for me, these cases, like with this kind of just thin plastic, this is useless, really. But I guess they don't make these to, you know, keep in your truck or anything like that. It'd be nice if it had like a real cover. And this is like cheap, just plastic. It's not meant to be stored in this, I assume, except in your toolbox. Like, I'm not going to take this thing to the junkyard. So here is a like Power Fist 15 mil. And here is the Capri. Wow, that is so cool. That makes me excited. This is the first time talking about sockets on this channel. Anyways, so that is 1622. Look at the, like, I don't even have to write on these. That is so clear. I'd probably write on them anyway, like on the other sides. 19. Oh man. What a pain. Alright. Imagine having to change sockets 10 times and you have to do that each time. That is awesome. So that is the Capri Stubby socket set. I mean, you don't have to use it on a stubby. I was just happen to have that here. You can use it on any impact wrench. Oh, see how nice it went on there? That is nice. Yeah. So, yeah. Capri Stubby socket set. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.